All right, here we go. All right, a 2015 Chevy Silverado. We could not figure out how to lower the wire from the bumper because we didn't have the tool. So what did we do, Larry?
Took a curtain rod, about 5/8 in diameter, and you have to take a 5-pound sledge and try to pound the edges into a square.
Or vice grips, or anyway, or channel locks, any way to bend it. If it
into a square, any way you can get it bent into a square to fit over the nut. When you go down the tube, there's a nut on the other end. Slides over the nut. You crank this
to the left.
To the left. It'll start lowering down. It'd be nice if you had a jack underneath the tire to relieve some pressure just starting off, and make sure you soak it down well with PB Blaster or WD-40.
Yeah, and listen, we tried everything on that YouTube had to offer. We tried jacking it up. We tried jacking the spare up. We tried putting the ratchet strap around the tire. So if you know what I'm talking about when I say these things, do me a favor. Go look for a curtain rod. Maybe it's in the attic. Right, any kind of round rod that's like 5/8 thick, like Larry said. Pound it into the mark, and man, if it fits down that sleeve to get to that nut, then you're in. Turn it to the left, and it lowered it. We tried every other way. So this is for lowering, basically, probably just about maybe any truck tire from way back to now, as long as it's a nut, and if it has a hook where you have to hook, just cut the end of it, put a notch in it, put a screw through it. All right, so and this is our buddy Dave who manned the he's got the tire in his hand.
He's been holding the tire all day.
He's a tire holder from way back.
He's a tire holder.
He's a tire holder from way back.
I know nothing about cars, but I can pick things up.
My God, he can hold that tire.
Okay. For Larry.
We all have a great week, and good luck. This is the fastest way to do it, I'm telling you.
Yep, and listen, if you're stuck, don't have AAA, I'm telling you, just do it. It was the last thing we looked for, and it worked. Yep. And listen, nothing was going to beat us on this. We were going to beat it. So hopefully this helps lots of